5, verse 21 to 26. You have heard that it was said to those of old, you shall not murder, and whoever murder will be in danger of the judgment. But I say to you that whoever is angry to his brother without a cause shall be in danger of the judgment. And whoever is angry, and whoever says to his brother, Raka, shall be in danger of the council. But whoever says you fool shall be in danger of hellfire. Therefore, if you bring your gift to the altar, and then remember that your brother has something against you, leave your gift before the altar and go your way. First, be reconciled to your brother, and then come and offer your gift. Agree with your adversary while you are agree with your adversary quickly while you are in the way with him. Let your adversary deliver you to the judge, and the judge's hand you over to the officer, and the judge's hand you be thrown into the prison. Surely I say to you, you will by no means get out of there till you have paid the last penny.